Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to prove about this one. So we need to expand this one. And this one. Next, we need to simplify this one and this one. This one and this one. So I will put this one go to the left. Next, we can do about factorization by x squared y squared. So this one that is about identities. So we know that they are even power in here. So x squared they always positive for all the value of x. Y squared they always positive for all the value of y, and so on in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.